big guy. Hey, listen, buddy, I gotta handcuff you. I don't care what you have to say. I gotta do it. Turn around. Where's my mom? Turn around for me.
Incident 36379157.
Okay.
24 Mary Queen GD, show me code Swift, 6 with 24 Queen, you can come out, please.
24 Mary Queen.
This big guy.
24 Mary Queen, 80, Roger.
Putting 2 sets of handcuffs on you because you're a big guy.
Why are you being handcuffed?
Because you're being detained for suspicion of driving under the influence of narcotics. Or possibly alcohol or a combination of both. We're going to figure that out, okay? All right. Hold on.
I'm not going in the car. I'm not going.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
No!
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Oh!
Wait.
Ah!
You need to relax.
Oh, my body hurt. Oh, my God.
Relax.
If you get up, it's gonna hurt less. Hey, if you just get up, if you just get up, it's gonna hurt less. Just go with
We
the
can do what
program.
we're going to do
I'm
at
not
a
going with
hospital.
this. It's not happening. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be worse for you.
It's not happening.
Let's do that. We're going to call an ambulance. Good job, man. Thanks. Yeah. I'll follow you guys.
Ryan, relax. Hey, look, if you don't get cooperative, all right, your mom's not gonna come, your friends who's in the lobby right now, help me. She's gonna be, we don't want to concern her, right?
I'm getting sick.
Okay,
I'm gonna throw
so
up.
relax.
Try to bite me one more time.
Relax, okay? Just go where you need to go right now so that they can take care of you, and that's it.
Can we push? Let's push.
Move it. Stop it.
Relax. Can you fold a bed back?
Be careful, Eddie. I don't feel good. Help me, please.
Stop trying to bite me. What the hell's your problem?
Help me.
Trying to bite me, man.
Watch your hand.
Help me, please.
Move. Ryan, relax. Ryan, relax.
God damn it.
Watch out, Eddie.
Ryan, relax. Hey, this is looking bad for you, dude. Keep resisting us, okay? You need to relax. All right? Get back on the gurney and relax.
I'm dying.
Ryan, you're not dying. You're in the hospital right now. Listen, you need to stop biting him. All right? You want additional charges against him, please stop biting. Do you understand?
Put that over his face. Push him back down to the thing.
Hey, dude.
I want you to take this off. We're gonna grab his feet.
Hold on. He's strong, dude. Hold
This
on.
is to stop him from spitting.
Just hold him there until we get more guys.
Watch your hand.
Ryan, you need to relax, dude. You're just causing more problems for yourself right now.
Towel went around his face. Spitting and biting.
Just relax. All right? Stop biting the officers. You understand? Relax. Okay?
I'm on my foot.
Ryan, relax.
Let go.
All right? You need to relax. You need to start following our directions. Okay?
Oh, wow.
You're gonna start following directions? Yeah. All right, I want you to sit up.
Always go to jail.
Alright?
Okay.
You're not gonna win.
Sarge.
Okay.
Alright? Why are you trying to make it all hard for yourself?
Okay.
Alright? Relax.
Yes, sir.
Try to sit up on the chair right now.
Okay.
Get up on the chair, dude.
Okay, I want you to do it.
Yes, sir.
Get up on the gurney. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Okay, well, I'll do anything you want.
Okay. I said sit up on the chair.
Okay, I will.
Sit up.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you.
Sit up.
Okay.
Brian, start moving up.
Okay.
Start moving up. You move up?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Brian.
Alright.
Let's, buddy.
Scoot up, Brian.
I got you.
Okay, scoot up. Scoot up.
Just watch his hand because he's gonna pinch off the hand.
Okay.
I'm hurting my arm. Please.
Put your left hand.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Alright, sit up.
Okay, awesome. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Hang on there.
Yeah, probably.
Yes, sir.
Brian, you need to sit up.
Brian, get back on the gurney.
Brian, you're on the gurney right now.
Stand up if you can.
Yes, sir.
Patient here in the doorway, coming to jail, that's acting out.
Yes, sir. I'll do anything else.
Okay, sit back.
Brian, you need to sit back. Okay, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back. There we go.
Thank you.
Alright. Brian, relax.
Lay your head back, Brian.
Let's bring him down more. No. Down.
Down.
Like,
You taught me so much.
okay?
Thank you.
Now, let's try to strap him down.
Thank you.
Strap him down.
You can do that. You can do anything you want. Yes, sir.
Can you strap
Yes, sir.
upper body as well?
I understand now.